Good evening! Naimbag nga rabii kinyayo. Another quick learn Ilocano video, and let's learn about ADDAN and AWANEN. Let's talk about AWANEN first. AWANEN. Awanen. Nen. AWANEN. AWANEN means you have it before, but now you don't have it. All gone, none left, and you can use it for about anything. So, for example, you're a seller and a customer came in and asked you, do you still have grapes? And you want to say, all gone. Awanen. 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 Or let's say you have a doctor's appointment and the nurse asks you, do you still have medicine? And you're all out of medicine. You can say, Awanen. All gone. Awanen. Adda pa'y agas mo. Do you still have medicine? All gone. Awanen. Adda pa'y kwartam. Do you still have money? And if you're all out of money, you don't have any money left, awanen. Next, let's talk about ADDAN. 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 ADDAN means you don't have it before. Now you have it, or you have it now. So, for example, like let's use again the previous example I used for awanen. So, I ask you, so for example, you went to your doctor's appointment and the nurse asked you, do you still have medicine? And your answer was, awanen, all gone, or none left. And then, after a few days, you came back or you got a call from your doctor's office. They ask you, Adda agas mon? Adda agas mon? Do you have medicine now? And you just got your refill. Addan. Addan. Adda agas mon? Addan. Another example, let's say you know someone who used to rent an apartment before and now she owns a house or he owns a house, and you ask him or you ask her, do you have a house now? Adda balay mon? Adda balay mon? Addan. Last example, so I ask you, do you still have money? Adda pa'y kwartam? Adda pa'y kwartam? Do you still have money? And your previous answer was, awanen. Awanen. I'm all out of money, or none left. And after a few days, we met again and I ask you again. I ask you, awan pa'y kwartam? Awan pa'y kwartam? You still don't have money? And now that you have money and you wanna say, now I have. Addan. Addan. Presi. Adda pa'y kwartam? Awanen. Awan pa'y kwartam? Addan. Awan pa'y trabahom? Addan. Adda pa'y agas mo? Awanen. Kumusta kan? Adda agas mon? Addan. If you notice, the letter N is attached to pronoun mo, and that means now. For example, if you just wanna ask, do you have a house? Adda balay mo? But if you wanna ask, do you have a house? now? Adda balay mon? Another example, do you have medicine? Adda agas mo? But if you wanna ask, do you have medicine now? Adda agas mon? And also you probably have noticed, well, from the previous video, we learned how to say I have and I don't have. And for example, to say I have money or I have a house, adda balay ko, I have a house. Adda kwartak, I have money. The letter K is attached to the noun that ends in a vowel, and pronoun ko is used when the last letter of the noun ends in a consonant. But on this video, the letter M, the letter M is attached to the noun when asking a question. For example, to say I have money, adda kwartak. Adda kwartak. Letter K is attached to the noun that ends in a vowel. And to say I have a house, house is balay. Balay, it ends in a consonant, that's letter Y. So let's use ko. Adda balay ko. And on this video example, when asking, do you have a house? Adda balay mo? Balay, again, it ends in a consonant, and we use the pronoun mo. And for asking, do you have money? Adda kwartam. The letter M is attached to the noun money or kwarta, and kwarta ends in a vowel. And let's have more example on that on the next video. And also let's talk about Adda pay and Awan pay. Before I say bye-bye, let's pronounce our Ilocano words again for tonight. Awanen, awanen, and addan. Addan. Awanen, for Tagalog speakers, awanen means wala na, and addan in Tagalog means meron na. So that's it for tonight. Bye. See you in the next video. Good night.